Welcome to Dr. Jester Rants, and I'm gonna rant about this retarded shit from Bound into Comics. Overwatch officially renames McCree in wake of Activision Blizzard lawsuits. Well, with that being said, I think that pretty much answers it. Sexism has been solved. Misogyny. My soggy, very soggy knee has been solved. It's done. I think that solves the video. So, I thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You know, it's Activision Blizzard. It's never that easy. Following the outrage of the association of the character's namesake to the recent sexual misconduct lawsuit filed against Activision Blizzard by the state of California, I don't need to go through with it. Suffice to say, they got actually triggered over the name McCree because the guy who they based the name off showed up on a picture with a bunch of people in a suit, Cosby suit. Cosby suite. That's it. So, they did the next best thing. They renamed the idiot called Cassidy. The person who actually did the research... they didn't do quite the research. Let's see what they are trying to justify this from. The first thing a renegade... Well, the first thing a renegade loses is their name, and this one gave up his long ago. Well, running from his past meant running from himself, and each passing year only widened the divide between who had been and who had become. Oh my. But in every cowboy's life, there comes a time when he has to stop and make a stand. Hashtag stands. To make this new Overwatch better, to make things right, he had to be honest with his team and himself. The cowboy who was rolled into the sunset and called Cassidy faced the world at dawn. Well, problem solved, right? Rename the guy from Jesse McCree to call Cassidy. No, really. I'm trying to care about this, but I'm finding it very difficult because I absolutely hate Overwatch. It's a shitty game. But somehow that shit keeps on shoving up in my life despite all of my attempts of saying no to this shit. But here we are, folks. Here we are. Either way, where was I? Oh, right. Oh, Cassidy, for fuck's sake. Well, that got solved. The problem, right? It got solved. Well, not quite, as you have it. Oh, fuck. Can't have this one shown. After all, it's my manager's Twitter account, so it has to go. It has to go. Ah, there you go. Perfect. That's anything else doxing me? No. Nothing doxing me. Either way, here it is. Shit. This one. Ha! There you go. It's porn actress. The name. Don't they actually? Did they change one name that make a reference to developer and they change it to one that makes it a reference to a porn actress? It's as if they keep on making the same mistake over and over and over again. What else are they going to screw up? What else? I mean, it's a given that these people fuck things up, but this one, boy, oh boy, it just keeps on getting worse and worse and worse. You can make this up Not even Babylon B could make this shit up. Not even them. And they are the premier in creating parody. Life imitating parody. And parody is definitely... it needs to up its game. Anyway, if you like this type of content, say right here on Dr. Jester. No, youtube.com/Dr. Jester. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the notification bell button. And I think that's about it. Yeah, I think that's about it. So, on that bombshell, have a great fucking night.